call this shit real friends. Yeah. I swear that I'ma make it out someday. And when I make it out, please don't call my phone. Y'all niggas wasn't there for me when I was all alone. So fuck y'all. Niggas not my friends. Niggas just pretend. So fuck it. I'ma make it on my own. And fuck it. I'ma buy the home one day. And someday when I get that money some way, I swear mama I'ma pay you back. For all the shit you did for me, I'ma pay you back. I love you so much and I'ma pay you back. Yeah. Just believe in me. Don't give up on me. Please don't, please don't. Yeah. These niggas swear they your friends, but they really not. These niggas just pretend. When I call your phone, I just get declined. When I stop your shit, I get no reply. But when y'all call my phone, I just pick up. Like what you need, homie. Like niggas, what's up? But these niggas not your friends, bro. Just believe in me when I say this shit real, bro. Yeah. I'm tired of